Hello friends, humanoid robots have taken a huge leap ever since the AI wave have started. And there are many contenders in this race for the next generation robots that people will actually use in their daily lives. In this series, we are going to take a look at many such robots. First one on our list is Tesla's robot called Optimus. Optimus was launched in 2022 as a prototype, a sleek humanoid robot designed for general purpose autonomous assistant, meaning it can do anything that a human has asked it to do. With its minimalist design and early human like movements, Optimus isn't just another clunky robot. It feels sleek and it can even do human movements like yoga, dancing, and even standing on its one leg, which is even difficult for most humans. Apart from that, Optimus is a powerhouse with cutting edge AI and a hardware that is really good. In terms of height, it is 5 feet 8 inch, 57 kgs. Payload capacity is about 20 kgs and it has 28 actuators, giving it a really flexible movement. And it's only in its hand, it has 11 degrees of freedom, much more than an average human, which means it has even sensors on its fingers so that it would know that it has touched something. This gives it an ability to even lift heavy things. Apart from that, be dexterous in terms of handling delicate things like eggshells and egg. Now it has a lot of other sensors that it is equipped with, like lidar, so that it would know more about its surrounding. You see, Tesla has a lot of cars on road. Millions of Teslas are being driven for hours on roads, and Tesla has tons of data about the real world. This data would be really helpful for Tesla to train its AI on how to navigate the real world. That is a big challenges that is posed to humanoid robots as well. Apart from that, Tesla has done a really smart move of training their models of their robots in game engines. So they have simulated the real world like a GTA Vice City, trained their robot in millions of scenarios for doing tasks of daily human life. This has led for the AI to learn dexterity and how to perform regular tasks with great detail. Now, from factory floors to your homes, Tesla hopes that this robot would help you in your daily life. With the combination of real world data and virtual world simulation, Tesla has really nailed how to train their AI on navigating this real world. Although this hasn't come and it's still in works, this would really be handy when it understands voice commands from humans and does the task. I'll see you in the next one with more such robotics video. Comment down below what would you like to see. Until that, stay tuned, so because I keep making videos on latest AI trends and robotics.